Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Seeking Funds video. Today we are actually going to be stuffing him, so I am super excited. It is payday. It wasn't the best payday, but we're going to make it happen. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below for more videos. Absolutely love making these videos, but I do a lot of other videos like grocery hauls, budgeting, stuffing my cash envelopes, a lot of that stuff. And let me know down below if you have a channel also, because I am more than willing to go and support channels that are a little bit newer, but I love to get to know y'all. And thank you for everybody else who has supported me and have subscribed so far. So it is Saturday morning when I am filming this. I already went to the bank and I forgot that they are closed on Saturday. So we're going to have to work around my envelopes and get some bigger bills into the envelopes, exchange some smaller bills out. So we're just going to have to work with it. Now, let me just tell you, all the newer people that are watching me, I do not do this all the time. I literally go to the bank and I have my little notepad that tells me exactly how much money I need and what bills I need. So this is just a first because I worked a 12-hour shift and I didn't get off until 7 and the bank was already closed, so I had to go to the ATM. So we're going to go through each category and then we're going to put how much we are going to put in. All right, so vacation. I don't really have anything major except for Jared's brother is coming into town that he's never met. So that's at the end of September. So we're going to put $20. All right, and then college. Let me just lower y'all down just a little bit more so y'all can see. College is going to be $20. A lot of people know that I'm going back to school for nursing and I want to save up as much as I can so I don't have to get any student loans or anything else because I am currently paying for student loans right now. Wedding, my friend is getting married in October, and then I have a wedding I have to attend in October also, and then I actually have a wedding in a couple of weeks that I'm taking pictures for. But I'm going to put $10 because I still need to get shoes and I need to alter my dress. Medical, I do have 2 doctor's appointments coming up, one in September and one in October. So we're going to put $5. Gifts. As you're watching this, I might be at a birthday party, so I have to go and buy a gift. And I'm not sure what I'm going to get, so I'm going to put $10 in that. Christmas is going to get $5. Next paycheck, I'm going to have to start focusing more on Christmas because it is coming soon. It's crazy. Black Friday is going to be $10. Absolutely love Black Friday. It's actually pretty much a holiday for me. Tag, we're not going to put anything on that. Car, we are going to do $10 because I do need to get some windshield wipers next time I go to the car dealership. So that's really about $40, $45, so I'm going to have to get that. All right, and then the last 2 is 2 new envelopes that I want to try out, and that is beauty because my makeup is very expensive because I choose to use expensive makeup because it actually works better on my face. I don't really get a lot of acne and stuff. So we are going to start a new beauty one, which is going to be $5 in that. And then clothing, I don't usually buy any clothes. I am subscribed to this subscription box called Stitch Fix that sends me clothes every month, and I pay $20, and then that $20 applies to the clothes that I buy. And the cheapest clothing item is like $38, which with the $20 it's $13, 13 something, 17. So I need to save up that much money because I usually buy one thing out of that. So my Stitch Fix is actually going to be coming in April, so I mean, not April, September. So that is going to be $5. All right, so let's go over it just one more time. Vacation is going to be $20. College is $20. Wedding is $10. medical is $5, gifts is $10, Christmas is $5, Black Friday is $10, tag is nothing, car is $10, beauty is $5, and clothing is $5. All right, so let's add all that up. I am going to be, if you watched my budgeting, I am supposed to only budget $65 from the remaining of my my total of my paycheck. But since I went to the ATM, I couldn't get $65 out, so I had to get $70 out. So we're just going to work it. So we have $70 to work with. And also, if you watch my cash stuffing, I have this much money left over from my cash envelopes from last week. $25 of it is going to go to debt, and then $30 is going to go to sinking funds. So in total, we should have $100. All right, so that's 20, 20, 10, 5, 10, and 5, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 5. Let's see if that works. Yep, $100. So let me get all the money situated and we will get to stuffing. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I got everything organized. Just let you know that we are using the Erin Condren to write down all of our money and our totals. Then I made these cash envelopes just for me. I do not sell them or anything. I am just trying to perfect them, if you say, but I have all my cash envelopes. I have the cash on the side, so I had to get a 50, so we will have to break that down. But I feel like we can do it. If we don't, then this video is going to be a disaster. So, don't mind my voice. I literally just woke up. It's about 7 in the morning when I am filming this. But vacation is going to be $20. So we are going to put, because I have $30 right here, we're going to put a 20 because it's 20. So that's 20, 40, 50. So I'm going to take this out and then put the 50 in there so I can have money. All right, so that's how we're going to break that down for right now. And now we're going to have to figure out everything else. All right, college is going to be $20. So we are going to put, since we got to break it down again, we can't break it down. We can't break that down. So that's going to be $20. And actually, I forgot to put my total. Usually we do totals. All right, and then college is 20 and 30. All right, $30. All right, wedding is going to get $10. And I think this is $10 also, so we're going to put a 20 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 will make it a 20, but we're just going to go ahead and put a 20 in here. All right, and then use that cash. See, we are doing it, you guys. We are doing it. Thank God, when I get paid again, I am off, so I will get the exact bills. All right, wedding. We already did that, so it'll be 20. I can't believe I'm forgetting to write it down, you guys. All right, medical will be $5, and then we have $5. Okay, so that will be $10. Gifts is going to be $10, and I believe this is $10 too, so we can actually put a 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this 10 will make it a 20, so we're just going to put a 20. And put this down. Perfect. All right, so I think we're in business now. And that 20 will probably be spent today. Christmas. $5, and then we have 5, 10, 15. So that will be 20. I need to put that through the laminator again. All right, Black Friday. Love Black Friday will be $10. And these two gift cards are from Target, and I always add that to my total also. So 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. All right, tag, we are not going to put anything in that right now. Probably start that maybe in December or January. I'm not sure. But we are going to see if there's money. There is not, so we are going to just draw a line. Car maintenance, we're going to do 10. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See how much is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's a 20. All right, so 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. $35. Now, I'm always asked, why don't I just write down my total and then I can just add from that? I absolutely love counting money. It's addicting to me, so that's why I do it. All right, beauty is 5. And these cash envelopes are just extra envelopes that I found when I first started making envelopes. I do have some stock paper that I bought that I'm going to use. So this is not the actual envelope. I'm just putting it in here for right now, but that is for beauty. So that is $5. And then clothing, $5. Same goes for this envelope. I need to find time. I will probably do it next week because I am off Monday through Thursday. All right, so that is it, you guys. And we're just going to do the totals for the paycheck and for the actual amount of how much I have in all my sinking funds. So this should add up to 20 again. 10, 5, I was 10, 5, 10 plus 5, plus 10, plus 10, plus 5, plus 5. All right, so that is $100. And then the total for this, let's see how much we have. 50, 30, 20, 10, 20, 20, 76, 35, 5, and 5. So that is $268 that I have in my sinking funds, you guys. All right, you guys, so that is my stuffing my sinking funds. This was one of my favorite videos to film. I'm sorry that I'm just all over the place. I'm not talking very well today. I don't know what it is, but it will get better, I promise, next time if you think I'm just out of sorts today. But just a reminder, make sure you subscribe down below. And make sure you like and comment. Make sure you tell me if you have a channel because I absolutely want to get to know you guys. I really do. I truly do. I have been on a following spree, I guess. I think last night I followed like 4 people on YouTube. And then I started binge watching all their channels. So yeah, I'm just that person. I love helping out. I love giving advice. I love just chatting with you guys. So let me know down below if you have that. And the next time you see me, I will probably be doing a grocery haul and then the weekly ad deals, which a lot of people like the weekly ad deals. I like them too. And also just a reminder, I do have $25 that I'm going to put in my debt, towards my debt. And that is one of my goals, is to pay $200 extra towards my student loans. Now I'm probably going to make a whole new video. I'm not sure when that will come out, probably sometime next week, but I have to figure out just how I want to tackle my debt. But without any further ado, Y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.